I can't let you out because you attacked Gary. Sorry, dude. I'll let you out later. You're on a timeout. Oh, yeah? What is that? La la la. Gary.
What?
Do me a favor.
What?
Let Phoenix out. You guys need to end this feud.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do. You do, though. You have to live with each other. He can't live in his cage all his life.
Yeah, you can.
No, he can't.
He can live in the cage when I'm not here.
When you're not here?
When I'm here.
And then when you are here, too? He is. He's gonna let you out. He's gonna let you out.
You're a dick bag.
He's a what?
Dick bag.
A dick bag.
That's what I said.
Okay. Are you gonna be nice to Gary if he lets you out? Are you gonna be good? Huh? Gary's gonna let you out and you're gonna be good. Okay?
Come here, you little piece of shit. You want that?
Okay, now kiss and make up. Oh, he's like, I'm not coming out yet. You leave Gary alone. That's right, you poop on your cage. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, did he go in the bathroom? Give Phoenix some nuts. Do it.
No.
Why?
He ain't gonna like me whether I do it or not.
Yeah, you guys gotta work on your relationship. No, not, yeah, give him those, but I wanted you to give him nuts that he has to work on so that, like, he keeps them busy, you know?
Mm-hmm. Which one?
Pistachios are like treats. They're not,
Okay.
that's enough. They're high in fat.
Face.
Give him some walnuts, but you have to pre-crack them.
Where they at?
Under the sink, they're right there. And then the nutcrackers in the drawer with the forks and stuff. Just crack them a little tiny bit, because he can't do it.
And, I'm giving you fucking food!
Don't yell at him like this isn't how we work together as a family. Didn't you just say we're a family?
Oh,
Well, Phoenix is part of the family too.
Broke that one like crazy.
Just
No.
put it.
Over.
See, you guys have trust issues. You have trust issues. Be nice. Phoenix, that is not cool. Okay.
I got one more nut for you, motherfucker.
I can't see.
Good.
I'm documenting all this. Okay. I got that in shot.
This one should be nice, okay? I love you. What's up, honey?
Great. Great, thanks.